right about here. When's it gonna jab itself?
It doesn't go fast, but it will go in. I think it's about right here.
Not that one. There it is.
They don't look crap.
Just that piling up of wax.
I'm wondering why we did this. I don't know, but I'm about to leave. Just want to see what it makes.
It's truly making music.
Was this your intent at the beginning?
That was his intent.
Everybody was all like, why don't you just play a song with a block of wax in? I think you were one of the ones that said it too. I'm gonna show you why we don't do that.
It does this. Can't even see the bit.
You'll be able to see it after we clean it up.
Yeah.
Just carved one big cavern out of it at varying depth.
I feel like that's what it did.
Yeah.
Or is this gonna be one big hole?
It's just a crisscross.
Almost.
Watch it be like perfect something.
Yay. Hold on.
Okay,
Zoom it
don't-
out.
don't
Or
push it.
climb it out of the hole.
It's like you're taking.
Alright, everyone back away from the thing.
Yeah, everyone back up.
Why are you moving the table?
Because he's gonna blow it off.
Oh yeah, fair enough. Start at the top, work your way down. Just wipe it off with your hand.
Yeah, just wipe it off. He wants it to be all dramatic.
The reveal. So far smooth. Oh, there it is.
It didn't even touch the other half.
Yeah.
And it kept going into this.
It's beautiful.
Now, where's the wrench? There.
Dump it out inside the thing, or actually in the trash can would be even better, but you know.
Here, let's see it.
That's what you get when you try and play a song on a billing machine.
I want to see.
Let's see the
I
song.
want to see the beauty.
Look at how
Oh my god, beautiful.
look, it goes in very deep right there.
Oh my god. It's actually kind of cool.